Alright everyone, and welcome back to Genesio's channel. Alright guys, you saw my thumbnail, how I made my 7 figures. Alright, in just, it was not up to a month. You heard me right. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you watch to the end because Geneseo will be unveiling to you how it all happened. Some people will say, are you sure? So just calm down because this video will be more of story time. Do you hear me? It will be more of storytelling time. Look at the way I'm blushing. So if you want to know how it all started, how I got to get that 7 figures, I'll be showing you the screen, to see my evidence. Some people say, this lady, she's saying the truth. Yes, you see my evidence. Screenshot up there. Yes, that's a screenshot up there. How I got that 7. You can see it. You can see the breakdown. You can see the total. You can see the total. Oh, it's sweet to make money. Yeah, so, and guess what, guys? I got this not working one tedious job. I got this using my smartphone. I got this using my online phone, using my smartphone and just pressing, sipping wine, eating gala, eating popcorn, doing my house chores, doing everything. I'm a mom, so I got it with just at home, staying at home, and I got this. So if you want to know how it is, just sit tight and watch. It's going to be a very bit, let's say a bit long video, but it's worth it because I'll be unveiling at the end what really gave me this. Alright, if you've not liked this video, go ahead and click the like button, and if you've not subscribed, go ahead because our channel is all about how to make legit money online. Alright guys, without wasting much time, let's start it. Let's just get started. Sorry, I don't know why I'm just rushing, but I need to unveil it. Alright, okay. So actually the first time, yes, during my NYSC, after doing that, then I was like, you know how Nigeria can be. NYSC, start looking for a job, and during that NYSC, someone introduced us to, I was in a corporate lodge called NCCF. Someone introduced us to what they call mini importation, but don't go nowhere. That is not what gave me this. I say this is a story time, so you need to listen, okay? So mini importation. So then it was not too rampant. I was like, people were like, are you sure you can import without knowing someone in other countries? Even till now, some people think you can import when you can only import when you have someone in China, when you have someone in Canada, when you have someone in USA, when you have someone in Dubai, when you have someone in Bangladesh, when you have someone in India. But no, you can import without having anyone in those countries. So I learned importation, mini importation. Then not only me, so many people also learned it, you understand, because everybody wants to make money. So we went into mini importation. Then we didn't know there were some secrets behind it. The people started importing. Some people will import. After importing, it will just be there in their house. They won't sell. So that's another thing. Yes, they won't sell. So all of a sudden, I was just, thinking, meditating, and all of a sudden, I heard, you need to import something that should be Holy Spirit telling me. Holy Spirit gives ideas. All right. So he said you need to import something that gives solution. I said, wow. Yes. Think what solve problems? What are the things that solve problems? People come online every day to find what solve problems. They don't come online to just view you, yes, you're selling something and they're happy. No, they come to know what really solve problems. Let's know. And when they get that thing that solve problems, my dear, they pay any amount to get it. So when I got that, I said, wow, that's it. But listen, that was not what gave me this. Yes. So I started importing skincare that clears pimples, dark spots, stretch mark, glowing face. So I also imported that. I also imported teeth whitening. I also imported waist trainer because I know people would like to look good, as a married woman after giving birth, you need to still have flat tummy and look good for your hobby. As a single girl, you need to also look to have that figure eight that will make you attract. You understand? So I started, and it was fetching me good money. Good. That's imagine fetch me good money that I was not even interested in finding a job. To all of a sudden, I said this is going to be a story time. So all of a sudden, I started teaching because why? As a single girl, I don't want someone to look at me and say, "Are you sure this girl is not into prostitution?" It means she's not working and she's doing all this. Then I found a school close to my house. Started teaching. Then after the teaching, you know what happened? The teaching grabbed my attention. Then immediately I loved teaching. But I didn't stop there. I started, teaching job, how it can be. The pay now. The pay is, I'm sorry, but the pay is nothing to write home about. It cannot even fetch you. Once you get a salary, within what is 1 week, your money is finished. You don't have any again. You're like, what's this? So I started. Uh, but then I was still cashing out. Even without paying salary, I was still be, because doing what I'm doing. People will say, some people will be complaining, they've not paid, they've not paid. Well, you won't hear me complain because I have other streams of income. So if you're watching this, please don't say I'm working. Don't say I'm this. Don't say I have this business. My dear, in this Nigeria today, you need to have so many streams of income to meet up. All right? One stream of income is never enough. One stream, is not enough. Then immediately, someone also introduced me and said, why not start up a YouTube channel? You need to, cash out in dollars. I said, ooh, I love teaching. Yes. Okay, let's start it up. And I start up my YouTube channel. Somebody will say, but you've not gotten to the 1,000 subscribers. I know, but do you know you can make millions even without getting to the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Yes, you heard me right. On this YouTube, I've gotten so many people coming to my DM for trainings, and they pay huge. I've gotten so many people coming from my community, YouTube community, to buy products, and they pay huge. I've gotten so many referrals. I also want to do what will I say now, online sites where you refer someone and they pay you. Right here on YouTube, people have clicked on my referral link and have made me cash out huge. So you see, but I've not got to 1,000 subscribers, but I've made huge amounts here on YouTube. So this is when I'm saying this, I say it's a story time. I've not done this before on my YouTube channel, but today I'm doing it. So if I'm saying this, some people will be ticking, need to be ticking. I just should be rolling. I just should be rolling. How do I make this money? Because this year 2024, you must cash out big time. Yes, your hair should be rolling now. How do I make this money? How? So that was how I started my YouTube. And so if you've not started your YouTube channel, it's not a big deal. You can start. Somebody will say, I don't have money to buy tripod stand. I don't have money to buy speaker. I don't have money to buy this. I don't have money to buy that. My dear, you can start up even without a tripod stand, even without a speaker. You can start up. As long as you have your smartphone, my guy, my lady, you can start up. My woman, you can start up even just with your smartphone. How do you do this? Use your smartphone. Just make sure that it's always on the horizontal part, not on vertical. Then always make sure you always video or film your video during daytime so you can use natural light without ring lights, and place it on the window. All right, if you have a book that is piled up, you can put it on the book there and put the camera on your phone on it, or you put it close to the window side, and boom, always clean your camera lens and you're good to go. Film your video. How do you edit? Go to CapCut, go to InShot. InShot is self-explanatory. Film your film, my dear. Start uploading on YouTube. I was surprised. My videos, some of my videos have gotten 3,000 viewers. I was like, wow, how? When did I start? So, not even only waiting for YouTube to start paying you. I have made much. I've made money on YouTube even without being monetized yet. So you can start it up. Build your community. So now, without me wasting much time, let me now go to the deal thing now that fetched me this morning. Oh, I've mentioned few now, so you can even start about those things. But let me now go to the main. So before going to the main, Jenny CEO is asking you, have you liked this video? Hey, hey, hey. Jenny CEO is asking you, my brother, my sister, have you liked this video? If you've not liked this video, have you subscribed? If you've not subscribed. So that was how I went into the main, which I'll be unveiling now. So I was like, what? I started this thing not, it's not up to 6 months. But I fetched this. How? Somebody will say how. Say how. So what I'll be talking about. Alright guys, so starting a pre-order group. What will say what's a pre-order group? Are you sure? Yes. There is huge money in pre-order group. Ah God. And you can only start it up when you are an importer. Yes. So if you want to learn how to import, come on, hit that. There's a link there. Chat me up and I will teach you. You know me now. I can teach. Correct. I'll teach you till you get your first item here in Nigeria. I will coach you till you get your first item here in Nigeria. So hit it and come on WhatsApp. Starting a pre-order group. And another video, if you've not liked this video, come on like it. If you've not subscribed, subscribe. Another video, I'll tell you how to run a successful pre-order group, how to run that pre-order group and get this amazing results, even more than this. Yes. How not to have issues at all. So that was how I started it. I started a pre-order group. At a point, I was having like 10 people in my group the first time, you understand? But all of a sudden, I started running ads. If you don't also know how to, I'll be posting a video how to run a profitable ads. And when you run ads, people will be coming to your WhatsApp group. So I'll be doing the video. So, subscribe, like this video so that it will ginger me like this to, be uploading the videos. I'm a mother. Yes, I'm a businesswoman. I'm also a teacher. Yes, and still another video. I'm telling you how to combine all these things without being stressed. Do I look stressed? See me now. Ha, I'm shining. No, you see. So, my dear, hit that like button and subscribe to ginger me to post all these videos I'm mentioning. Ha! So I started a pre-order book group. So as I was saying, I started a pre-order book group. So how do you start this pre-order book group? Yes, even if you don't know how to import, you can start a pre-order book group. Click on that link to join my pre-order book group. What do you do? Anything I post, you post. Simple. So that was how I started a pre-order book group. So how do you do it? It's very simple. Click on that link, join the biggest pre-order book group by Jenny CEO. What do you do? I post, you post. Add your profits. You're not importing, no. So many people in my group are doing that and they are cashing out big. Somebody even told me that, someone that did it in my group came to my DM. JCO, there's too much money that she has even made up to 200K. You like, really? It happens. There's money. So you keep growing your group. Make sure you have so many people in the group. Once I post, you add, and I don't add too much so that people in my group, because I know they are reposting and they're adding their profits, so they'll be able to also make huge profits. So you can add your 5,000, add your 4,000, and the beautiful thing about it, you are not using your money. Hey, pre-order, you're not using your money. You're using people's money to import. You just take people money and you make massively and you bring it in, and when it comes to pay shipping fee, not even your money, you still even gain, make profit again. What are you doing? Join. Click on that link, join my pre-order bulk group. Create your own pre-order bulk group. When I'm posting, you post, add your own add your own profit. I post, you post, I post, blast post, I post, you post, before you know what's happening, people will be, I need this, I need this, I need this, I need that. You compile their list, come to me, hey, see, you also add. Bam. I'm legit now, 100% legit. So no fear. No fear at all. Immediately compile everything. When it comes, I give you your own. Once I post my shipping fee, you too, you carry the shipping fee and paste it there. Yes, you can even add something to shipping fee. Because I'm using I'm using the cheapest shipping company. So my shipping fee is always so affordable. So you don't have any fear. You post, your shipping fee and they pay and they get the item and everybody is happy. You increase your group and you keep making your millions. All right, I've talked too much. Let me stop here. I've told you how I achieved this. So if you want to achieve this and more than, I've mentioned like three things now. So the last one too is super amazing. So go ahead and start and cash out. Oh, this one is just the starting. I never even get to my aim. So start and be cashing out. No excuse. You can't say you are not working, you are a mother, you are stay at home mom. Omo, me, I achieve this staying at home. I achieve this with my phone. Even with Android, you can achieve it. My baby is now up to 6 months, but I achieved this. I'm a mother of two. I achieved it. So you too, you can achieve it. I'm teaching. I achieved it. I'm a mother. I achieved it. I'm a wife. I achieved it. Everything. I said I'll be telling you how I combine everything without being stressed out. Yes. See the way I'm shining now. So do that and earn massively. Even as a woman, your husband will be so proud of you. You know, you too, you'll be proud of yourself. You'll not be asking for your husband for little things. You know, if you want to get anything, you can, get it. All right, guys, don't forget to like this video. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe because the more videos are coming. How to run a successful pre-order ball group. I'll be doing that. How to run ads. I'll be posting it. The biggest, the cheapest, the cheapest shipping company. I'll be posting that. All right. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.